you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I comb my hair, always me out of fear. You find me ugly and disappear. There's no point of crying, it was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see us.
Hi guys, it's Friday and for some reason it seems like it's Saturday. It looks like I'm really bending down solo, but I should have changed this tripod. But yeah, I just took out my nails. It's time to hit like reset my nails, my hair, but I still have like 1 week for my hair, then I will start doing the whole maintenance reset thing. But for today, I have to clean up my space, so let's quickly do that. All right. Firstly, I have to change this shit. Guys, I've been obsessed with this lip balm thingy. It came in a package I received. I need to change this tripod stand. It's too low. It's like 4 feet. So this lip balm, I've been obsessed with it. Like the fact that I can just do this and apply it like so has been like the coolest thing ever. And I had received it with this box. It came in this box. This was a period care package from Thbd. This was so thoughtful, and it came also with like a note. Yeah, and a couple of things inside I have used already. Pad, disposable panties, tea, straw, tissue, chewing gum that I've used, fancy liners, and a face mask. And talking about this, I think I'm going to use this today because I have some face masks I've not even used like in a while. Today is going to be self-care day, guys. So, and sanitary wipes as well. Some other couple of stuff like chocolates and a drink. So, and also like a packet of candy, right? But it's not in here. But I just really thought that this box was very thoughtful and I really loved it. So yeah, It's called Viviante Lagos. So yeah, let's get to cleaning.
No, I'm not saying.
Hi guys, it's been a while and the car is so shaky, sorry, but the road is bad. I took out my hair about 2 days ago, ouch, and today I decided to go get it done. It's been a hassle trying to get free time to actually go do it, so I'm just on my way to the salon now, and I just thought to say hi and good morning. So yeah, let's go make our hair. All right, bye. Okay, bye. Guys, done the cutting. I'm going to relax the parts of the hair that's missing out. Let's see if I should use straight extensions or wavy extensions. But I think I'm just going to go with wavy. What relaxer is this? FM?
Yeah, FM.
Okay. Let's take off. Ooh, so this is shimmy.
It's big.
Because of maybe water or something.
It's all as testimony. You just need to slow down and be grateful. Let's start off and pray. Ebenezer,
the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm blank for a minute. Sorry. This morning I'm actually going to get breakfast, guys. I started learning how to drive, and this Lagos street is not easy. It's been one crazy thing or the other, but so far okay. We believe in God, and I'm pretty sure that God will see us through, right? All right, I'm going to end this vlog today. I want to go get breakfast. I've been craving custard and akara for some reason, and there's this place I actually have been getting it from. It's actually the akara is so good. It's Buka Hot, right? The akara doesn't have much oil in it, so it just makes so much sense. I just, I like it like that. What else do I have to say? I'll be ending this vlog today, so thank you for watching. Let me just say this now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I think that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Okay. So high now. Ouch. Lagos roads. Driving in this Lagos, you need the Holy Spirit to guide you and guide your thoughts, your mouth. Okay, custard and akara. Yes. But you can't see it clearly. How many pieces of akara? 1.5. This is the custard.